Leaving Apple for Samsung? I admit the Galaxy Note 9 has been one of my all-time favorite phones ever. Then along came the iPhone XS Max. With its big screen, thin bezels, and amazing camera. I've been a Mac user at work and in my personal life for years now, but switching back and forth between Apple and Android is nothing new for me. Then, the Apple Watch Series 4 came out and changed everything. I lost my desire to swap the SIM card in and out of my iPhone XS Max and back into my Note 9. My Note 9 has been sitting in what I call the phone basket on my nightstand. That's right, a device that I paid over $1,200 for is just sitting there collecting dust. It's really quite sad when you think about it. There are people out there still using the Galaxy S5, and here I am letting these amazing devices go to waste. It's not my fault. I have fallen victim to the ecosystem. That's right, the ecosystem has been holding me hostage. The iMessage, the AirDrop, the photos, the iCloud, the Apple Watch, the AirPods, the beautiful 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and if I'm being honest with myself, the HomePod. All of this integration just made my life so simple. It all worked together. My technology loved my technology. It all worked so well. My life was a happy life, a simple life, a quiet life, an Apple life. And then along comes the Samsung Galaxy S10. Everything changed. The Unpacked event was full of new things I never knew I needed or wanted. In typical Samsung fashion, they overloaded us with new features. It left me wondering what life would be like if I went back to Android. What would life be like without iMessage? No AirDrop, no more amazing photo sharing goodness. I think I need to know. I need to know if I have what it takes to go back to Android. I've always had an Android phone with me. It's not like I haven't been using Android, but I haven't been using Android as my main device. Not since the XS Max came out. From the XS Max, I went to the XR and back to the XS Max. I've had an iPhone in my pocket ever since then. So here it is. I'm getting ready to take possession of both the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus this week. I'm going to dive deep. I'm going to bring you exclusive content surrounding the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. I'm going to commit myself to Samsung and to you. We can do this together. I need you to help me, motivate me, hold me accountable, hold my hand, let me know it's going to be okay. Nikias, we are in this together, buddy. We suffer together, we succeed together, we fail together. Me and you are in this together. Thanks for watching. Jump down to the description and follow the link to my Twitter. There you will find a special pinned comment that YouTube won't even let me post up anymore. We're not even going to talk about it, or they're going to come for me. They might even shut down my channel or delete my channel. I don't really know, but I don't want to find out. I really appreciate you watching this video until the end. If you want to support me as a creator, please consider hitting that like button. If you're a creator, please consider adding professional closed captions to your video. In the description, there's a $10 off coupon on your next closed caption order with Rev.com. Thanks for watching again. For the love of tech, namaste.